Hey everyone, I'm sorry I didn't record for the last few days because I was busy and other stuff. But I have a great video for you guys. I am going to do a pack opening that is gonna spend so much money on me. Yes, this game is WWE Immortals. I just downloaded it and I just hacked it. So I'm gonna spend a lot of money on this game. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy the pack opening in a little bit. Let's do the pack opening right now. I don't want to sign in right now because it never lets me sign in. What the hell? Okay, fine. Okay, bye. Fuck you. Okay. What's the highest? Wait, I need to get more money. Okay. Gold pack. Let's do 20 of these. So this is the first pack. You get the Undertaker. You get Stone Cold Steve Austin. We got Roman Reigns. That's the fourth pack. Fifth pack is evolved Seth Rollins. Sixth pack, we got Macho Man. Seventh, Undertaker. Eighth, Daniel Bryan. Ninth, evolved John Cena. 52. 10th, evolved John Cena again. This is the 11th pack. No, 12th pack. It's Roman Reigns. The 13th pack is Macho Man. 14th is Lumberjack Big Show. 15th is Macho Man. 16th is Undertaker. 17th is Macho Man again. 18th is Evolved John Cena. The last, no, 19th is Roman Reigns. The last pack is Triple H. And see, I spent over 2 million. 2 million. But let's go for more. I'll do this back. There. Okay, now we got to. As you see, I haven't had this game for a while, so yeah. Perfect. You can only evolve the phone once. Perfect. Perfect. Now other Undertaker stronger than that one? Other Undertaker. I don't even know where my Undertaker is. I'm not gonna be using all of these, but like John Cena, Brock Lesnar. Batista, here's the dead. The king, oh, there's Undertaker. No 7. Regards. Play. Over here. We finished that. Edit team. We're gonna put some new people in. I'm gonna put. I feel like if we put all these but I feel like if we put back in team, this team will be unstoppable. Okay, this team is fully unstoppable. Let's brawl. That was easy. Yay! Super Cena leveled up. We're gonna finish this area and I'll end that video. I'll end this video right here. Oh gosh. Oh. Come on. Okay, let's go. Damn, no one can lay hands on him. Like, game's at 15K. That's a lot. Tech sources page, Viper, and then Big Show. Let's see how this goes on this fight without not using other characters but game. Wow, barely they can lay a hand on me though. I think King should have more moves. I already finished the Cena challenge, that's why I have dashing. And I already finished the whole thing, so I can't get a version 3 of it, so. Thinking. We're gonna use Evolve John Cena. I'm gonna finish this area and then I'll end the video, like I said. And yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna make a shout out Sunday video. So yeah. Bro, he rolled and I just hit him right in the freaking. Oh yeah, we leveled up. Let's go. That's going to help us a little bit at least. Last fight. Let's go. Last fight. Let's go. Last fight. Let's go. Last fight. Last fight. Let's go. Last fight. Let's go. Last fight. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Bah, bah. Let me use this guy. Oh, we're pretty mad. Don't say so. Oh, you have better combos than me, though. Wow, I was gonna use my special move. $1,000. I don't think that's gonna help that much. Okay. We finished it. Yes, we did. We finished the map. And if you want some more WWE Immortals gameplay, make sure you go down and hit that like button for more WWE Immortals. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoyed. And peace out.